Have you ever studied mathematics for weeks, entered the exam hall feeling prepared, like feeling ready, and still ended up with a poor result? The truth is, many WAEC students don't fail because mathematics is difficult. They fail because of a few common mistakes that keep costing them marks year after year. In this video, I will review the 7 biggest WAEC mathematics mistakes and show you exactly how to avoid them if you want to score an A1. So I'm sure you watch the video to the end to get the full gist. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I come across this channel. Here we make mathematics, statistics and physics easy. So if you click on the subscribe button to join the learning community. Let's get to the video. Mistake 1. Mistake 1. Skipping word problems. Many students see a long question and immediately panic. Yes, it's normal. As soon as they notice plenty of text, they skip the question. But here is the secret. Most word problems are actually easier than they look. In this channel, I'll make this easier for students. So let me give you guys the cheat in solving word problems. So let me give you guys the solution to solve word problems so you won't panic when you see them. So this is the solution. Listen carefully. Read slowly. Solution 1. Read slowly. Solution 2. Identify the important information. Pick the information that has numbers in the word problem and write them down somewhere. So identify the important information. 3. Transfer 3. Translate words into mathematical expressions. Translate words into mathematical expressions. Expressions. Don't fear word problems. Fear leaving easy marks behind. With this solution, word problems will be much easier for you. First one, read this slowly. 2. Identify important information. 3. Translate words into mathematical expression. Mistake 2. Not showing workings. This is a very popular mistake. Most students solve WAEC like jam. WAEC is not an objective examination, but both objective and theory. So for your theory section, ensure you show your workings, complete workings, in order to not miss any mark. So mistake 2, not showing workings. Some students write only the final answer. Very bad. Even when the answer is wrong, proper workings can earn you small marks, because if your final answer is wrong and you get the formula or you get the steps, you can get maybe half of the mark for that particular question. Now, let me give you guys the solution in order to get your full mark in any question. So solution, ensure you take this down. Take notes in any of my video you're watching. Ensure you jot down all these important points. Solution 1. Write every step clearly. Write every step clearly. Solution 2. Show formulas used. Very important. Show formulas used. Solution 3. Avoid jumping straight to answers. Avoid jumping straight to answers. Avoid jumping straight to answers. WAEC examiners reward good mathematical procedures. Mistake 3. Ignoring past questions. Mistake number 3, ignoring past question. This is a very, very common mistake. Most students believe that after reading their textbook or their notebook, they're good to go for WAEC. No. Ensure you practice your past questions. It's equally as important as reading your notebook. This is one of the biggest mistakes. Students spend all their time reading notes but never practice actual WAEC past questions. Now let me give you the solution. We'll make this easier for students in this channel. So you're free to subscribe to this channel to be notified when I drop more epic videos. So we have solution. Solve at least 10 years of past question. Solve at least 10 years of past questions. Solution 2. Time yourself. Time yourself. Solution 3. Review mistakes. Review mistakes and be truthful to yourself, because if you're marking yourself and you're not feeling yourself, you don't know how far you've gone in that particular subject. So ensure you time yourself and mark yourself wrong if you're wrong or right if you're correct. So now, mistake number 4, poor time management. Mistake 4, poor time management. Poor time management. Poor time management. This is a very common mistake. Some students spend 20 minutes trying to solve one difficult question. Very bad. Meanwhile, easier questions remain unanswered. Why? If you don't know any question, or if you know any question is looking difficult, answer the ones you know first. Go for the easier ones first. Then when you're done with the easier ones, you can come and kill yourself with the most difficult one. But if you start with the most difficult one, to kill your morale and you end up forgetting the easier ones. That is how life works. So now let me give you the solution. So we have solution. Start with questions you understand. As I said earlier, start with questions you understand. Skip difficult questions temporarily and return later. Your goal is maximum marks, not solving questions in order. Yes, most students have the mentality of I will solve question 1 first, for question 2, for question 3. No, it's not important. You can start with question 5, then your question 1, question 3. Solving it accordingly is not important. The important thing is that you get the most marks. So start with the one you understand. If question 5 is one you understand the best, start with question 5 and you solve so you can get more mark before your time elapses. Mistake 5, careless calculation errors. Careless calculation errors. Careless calculation errors. Many students know the correct method but lose marks because of simple arithmetic mistakes. Example: wrong sign, wrong multiplication, or incorrect copying. Solution: always check your calculations very well, estimate your answers, and review your work before submission. Very, very important. Mistake number 6: memorizing without understanding. I've made a video on this mistake under physics. Memorizing without understanding. Understanding. Some students memorize formulas without knowing when to use them. When WAEC changes the wording, they become confused. This is very, very common. Now let me give you the solution. Solution: students should understand concepts, learn why formulas work, and lastly, practice different question styles. Understanding beats cramming every time, so don't cram any formula. Ensure you understand the concept, learn why the formula works, practice different question styles. Last but not the least, I reserve the best for the last. Mistake number 7: waiting until the last minute. Waiting until the last minute. This is probably this is probably the most dangerous mistake. Students postpone revision until a few days before the exam. This is very, very bad. Most students procrastinate that I'll read mathematics this night, they end up playing games or watching movies. They will not postpone it to the last day of the exam. So it's very, very bad. Students usually postpone revision until a few days before the exam. Now let me give you the solution. Solution: create study schedule, revise regularly, and practice questions daily. Small daily effort beats last minute panic. So there you have it, the 7 biggest WAEC mathematics mistakes that cause students to fail. Avoid these mistakes, practice consistently, and you will already be ahead of many candidates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below which of these mistakes you have been making, and share this video with your friends preparing for WAEC 2026. Thanks for watching this video, and see you on my next video. Bye.